Dear prospect students, hello and welcome to Foundation of C#. This is your tutor Muhammad Ghazlan, and if you are fresh off the boat looking to learn programming languages in general and C# in specific, then this course is 100% designed for you. This course is going to be an inclusive course, but it will be beginner-friendly course, meaning we are going to cover the terminologies and principles in the simplest term there is, assuming that you have no prior experience whatsoever in programming languages or C#. But for the people who are looking to sharpening their programming language skills and problem-solving abilities as well, are welcome to this course. We're going to discuss the core principles in simple terms, gradually progressing to more advanced topics, and of course it will be hands-on problem-solving exercise experience to build your confidence. And in this course, we are going to focus mainly on the real-world examples to relate the theoretical part with empirical ones. You can expect in this will be a progressive course, meaning I will be adding topics as we move. But for now, the ready topics for you to attend is the introduction to programming language and C# basics. Then we are going to have a more kind of comprehensive way to discuss the control structure, mastering the functions, classes and libraries, then expounding and exploring the object-oriented programming, and last but not least advancing to data structure topics and algorithms. I hope you'll enjoy this course, and I will be watching all of your comments in case you need to add any topics or you feel like this course is not complete. All suggestions are welcome.